So in today's video I'm going to show you the best and optimal settings for your Nvidia control panel so you can get the maximum FPS and lower delays when you're playing games. I'm doing this on a RTX laptop. This will work with any Nvidia graphics card. So just follow along and then you should be able to unlock your full potential as well. So the first thing you want to do is open up the control panel. To do that, when you're on your computer, go down here to show hidden icons, right click the Nvidia logo and click on Nvidia control panel. Now I'll zoom it in for you guys. The first thing you want to do is go to the right and go to manage 3D settings. First you want to set your preferred graphics processor as your Nvidia GPU. This way it won't be swapped from integrated graphics to Nvidia processor to integrated back to there. It won't auto select, it'll just be one consistent graphics processor giving you a smooth experience. Now these are the default settings. If these settings do not work for you or they just change everything or just doesn't work, you can click the restore button and it'll, as you can see, restore the settings for this global preset back to the default values from when this was first installed. That way it will be back to normal from where you picked it up last. Some of these settings may be different, some of them may be the exact same, but I'm just saying if it doesn't go well for you, you can click restore here. So now we're going to go ahead and edit some of these features. So first, image sharpening, just keep that off. Ambient occlusion, keep this off. Anisotropic filtering, keep this to application control. So to change it, if it's something else, just click on it and you should see a drop down. Just make sure, some of you may have 8x or whatever, just keep it to application controlled. FXAA, you want to keep that off. Gamma correction, you want to turn this off as well. Again, if you're very confused with what this does, you can just hover over it and then the description will come up at the bottom. The anti-aliasing mode, keep this off. Then the next two should be grayed out, which is fine. Next is the background applications max frame rate, which will be off. Then the CUDA GPUs should stay at all. The system fallback policy should leave it at the default value. Low latency mode should be ultra instead of off. Max frame rate should be off and MFAA should also be off. Now we're going to skip to the OpenGL rendering GPU. It says auto select. You want to change this to your Nvidia GPU. For the power management mode, you want to set this from normal to prefer maximum performance. Now for the way I want my power to be managed on my laptop, I'll just keep it normal, but do change it to the maximum performance one. Now shader cache size should be default. Text string filtering, anisotropic example, whatever, that should be off. Now go down to texture filtering quality. You want to change this from quality to high performance. You want to leave trilinear optimization on, and for threaded optimization you want to turn this on instead of keep it as auto. Now we're nearly there. For vertical sync, which is just VSync, you want to turn this off if you want to get the most maximum performance, so I'll just do that. And then that's it. The last three V settings, virtual reality and Vulkan OpenGL, you just want to leave this at its default settings. Now to actually apply it, click on apply down here. Once you've done that, you want to go next to the set PhysX configuration. Now when you're here, when it says select a PhysX processor, again make sure it's your laptop GPU always, and then click on apply. Now the last thing you should do, it's not really on the Nvidia control panel for me because there is no display option. If you have it, then you can go there and choose your highest refresh rate, because that's the last step. If you don't have it, just do what I do. Go search up display for the display settings. When you're here, go click on advanced display, and then when it says choose of refresh rate, make sure this is at its highest. It should already be at its highest, but you'll be surprised with the amount of people who don't even put it at its highest. But yeah, keep it at its highest, and then that way it will be fully optimized for the computer. This refresh rate option should be on the displays thing as well. When you click adjust display stretch resolution, I think, or something like that, just make sure it's at its highest refresh rate. And yeah, that is how you optimize your Nvidia control panel for gaming or just for performance. And now Nvidia did release this new DLSS thingy, and it's super cool. If you want me to make a video on that, be sure to leave it in the comments down below. But other than that, that is the tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new. I'm very close to 3,000 subscribers. I want to hit it ASAP. And yeah, other than that, I'll see you in the next video.